Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business brand post using Posterize in Photoshop. I start by opening Photoshop and loading my brand image. I duplicate the layer immediately because professional business work is always non-destructive. I apply Posterize and slowly drag the level slider. I stop, breathe, and watch how the brand image transforms. Posterize simplifies the image, so I make sure the brand identity stays strong. Some areas look too flat, so I mask them gently with a soft brush. I zoom in and smooth rough edges to maintain quality. I choose colors that support the business tone: confident, calm,